like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Costco. Ay, expensive now. We're here at cleaning supply. See? Towel, premium, Kirkland. Gonna grab some? Here. $2.50 off. Yan. Scott. Toilet spray. Yan. Yan. Here. 3. Okay. Cleaning supply. The clinics. Sale sila. $4.50 off. Clinics. $13. Here. Kirkland special tissue. $13.99. There's a big. How many? This is the towel. $16.99. Kirkland. This one. The Kirkland tissue. There's 12 carton. $13.99. Here the Kirkland toilet bath tissue. $16.99. Also right here. So the marathon bath tissue is $24. Oh, that's expensive. German Ultra $22 at Costco. Charming Twin Bitter $7.99. $4 off. $4.50. Oh, cheap one. Why? Kirkland brand is $11. $3 off. This one $15. Marathon towels $3 off. This one $15. Marathon towels $31. Marathon 2-ply dispenser towel $49.99. That's expensive. Charming. Here.
Like that one, Dad? Slippers.
Sale sila. I like this one. I like it too.
They want to put more salty.
Paper towels, toilet paper, and lotion, and then we'll be done. Mama said no.
Lysol Advanced yan Bowl Cleaner, $8.99. It's not on sale. Cascade, $6.99. $8.99. That's 3 packs. Chicken laundry detergent, $14.99. There's Kitchenware Ultra Cleaner yung pad niya, $17.99. It's okay. This is the liquid, on sale, $3.99. $12.79. Ultra, yan, Kitchenware, 12 po. Sales yan. O, 10. 10 sila. $10. Sa Ultra. Yan, multi-purpose everyday cleaner, remover dirt, facial software. Ayan. Oh, new for me. $13.99. Mr. Clean. Mr. Clean sale. $6.99. Oh. Sale sila. Right there, Clorox toilet bowl. That's shelf. I never tried this one before. It's $3 off. $6.99 now, sure. Oh. Dear. Have you heard this one? Poop before you go. Dear. Have you heard this one? Poop before you go. Toilet spray. Yeah. Here. 3. $19. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. There's more sales videos. Thank you. On sale. There's a broom. $8.99. Clorox. Yan, wipes. On sale now. $3 off. $11.99. Oh, this one, broom. Mop, $36. Are you? Oh, you can have this.
All right, buddy. You know what?